How to get Coda weapons in Warframe. Introduced with the Technosite Coda system, these infested variants offer unique abilities and aesthetics, embracing your arsenal. Step 1. Initiate the Technosite Coda system. To begin with, you'll need to confront Technosite Coda adversaries. These infested leashes can be spawned by completing specific in-game actions or missions. Once spawned, they will challenge you across various missions. Step 2. Equip antivirus mods. Before engaging with the Technosite Coda, ensure you have the appropriate antivirus mods equipped. These mods are essential for combating the adversary's unique defenses. Equip 3 antivirus mods to increase your chances of success. Only one of the 3 needs to be correct, and its position doesn't matter. If all 3 mods fail, replace them with new ones until you find the correct combination. Step 3. Engage and defeat the Technosite Coda. Locate and confront the Technosite Coda in missions they influence. Utilize your equipped antivirus mods during combat. Each successful engagement will progress the disinfection process. Once the progress bar is filled, the adversaries will retreat to space, leading you to the final confrontation. Step 4. Collect live hard cells. Upon vanquishing the Technosite Coda, they will drop live hard cells, the currency required to purchase Coda weapons. Each defeat yields a set amount of hard cells, ranging from 10 to 14. Step 5. Visit Eleanor in Hovania. With your collected live hard cells, lead to Hovania and locate Eleanor. She serves as the vendor for Coda weapons, offering a selection that rotates every 4 days. Every weapon costs 10 live heart cells. Plan your visit accordingly to acquire your desired weapons. Step 6. Purchase and upgrade your Coda weapons. Select from Eleanor's available inventory and trade your live heart cells for the Coda weapons of your choice. To maximize their potential, consider using Valence Fusion to enhance their elemental bonuses. Additionally, applying Forma can unlock their full capabilities. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.